Burr, it is getting cold out. Maybe
It
you
is.
should turn up the thermostat.
Well, you want me to go inside to turn it up? You're closer to the door.
Yes, I want you to go inside.
Fine.
Thank you.
Hi everybody, welcome back to the guest house. My name is Barry. I've got a really cool, quick video for you today. As you all know, I'm a techie guy. I love gadgets, love automating stuff. One of the very first things I wanted to do when we bought our Airstream was to automate the thermostat. It comes with the Dometic. It works great. A lot of buttons. It's a real inconvenience to be able to adjust it when you need to. I did a lot of research on the internet and I found a company called MicroAir. They sell replacement thermostats for RVs. They're Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled. There's, I believe, 3 quick steps when you go out to the website to determine whether or not your existing thermostat will work or not. When I did it, it did not meet the criteria of what we had. So what I did was I took a picture of the thermostat and I sent it to their support guy. I can't recall his name. He responded within minutes. And he said, yes, that will work. Even though it wasn't listed on their website, he said it will work. So I said, great. So I ordered one, got it in the mail, and now I'm ready to install it. So stay tuned. So I didn't want to bore you with showing you how to remove the old one. There's 4 screws, straightforward, take it off. Little phone connector, an RJ45 I think it is. You just unplug and that's it. You take it out. So the installation for this, super easy. What took the longest was actually to drill the pilot holes for the new holes. I don't know if you can tell, but it's not going to match up with your existing holes, and that's okay. So I just put in the 2 holes in here, drilled them in, and it just hangs. So once you've got your holes in, you plug it in, and this is really complicated, pay attention. Ooh, did you hear that? Done. Push the wire back in, and if I can see the holes, there. Installed. It was that easy. There's really, the only configuration you're going to need to do is to set up your Wi-Fi, enter your password. And as you can see, it's already on. It's plugged in, but it's turned off. And you can probably hear behind you, the vent has already started, the fan. It's already started to work. It is that easy. Super easy. So again, I said it has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, but I have found through using it for the last year that I actually prefer the Bluetooth. All I can say is it gives you a peace of mind, and it's a super easy install, and it absolutely works. There's nothing to it. So now, if we're outside or I'm in the house and I need to check, all I got to do is go to the app, and I can adjust it any way I want. Change it to the heat pump, to the furnace, to the AC. All the settings are right here. They're on here. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Hit the bell, ring it, whatever you do. And thanks for being our guest.
Burr, it is getting cold out. Hey, can you turn up the thermostat?
I can do that. Done.
Excellent.
From MicroAir, Easy Touch. I'm going to stop that for a second.
Anything you don't like.
I know, it's just like, yeah. I think it's odd for me for you to stand there and watch me.
Oh.
It's making me uncomfortable.
Oh.
No. I got this.